In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can browse privately on Brave browser whether you're using a mobile phone or a PC. So on Google Chrome, you people call it Incognito Mode. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this on a Brave browser. So I'm going to do some tutorials after that for you guys to know that it works perfectly. So all you need to do is just hop on your Brave browser like this. So this is a new tab, and all you need to do is just move to your settings. If you're on a mobile phone, if you're on a PC, just tap on this side and then you move to your private window so you can read what they are saying here. If you're on here, after you close this page, everything is going to vanish, your cookies, your history and everything. So now let's start with the tutorial. Let's search Indian Times. Let me use Tech Talk number 1, and let's search this. And now let's use Tech Thoughts as the second search. So you can see this is the website. Let's tap on that on private mode. And this is Tech Talk Summit. Let's tap on that. You can see I've opened these two web pages. Now let's come here. Let's close this and let's try to search it here. You are not going to see any traces that we visited that website before. So the first one was Tech Talk. You can see there is nothing showing here that I've visited this before. This is the summit. This is the site we visited. So when I tap on this, it's going to load every cookie again. Do you know why? Because Brave have saved anything there. But then if I visit, look, let me come open it here again. But you can see it's showing the sign means I've visited it before. Let me click on it and you see something. When it opens automatically. It's not going to preview, but you can see the old page is still loading. That's how it works. So now Brave have saved my cookies on this side. So when I open it, it's not going to take a lot of time to load unless they've updated the web page that I'm going to load. The new ones, the old ones, I'm not going to load it. That's it on how you can browse privately on your Brave browser. You call it Incognito Mode on Google Chrome. So I think after this tutorial, you've understood and know that this works. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. That's it once again. Peace.